is the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Hi guys, join me. Let's make this premium bean stew or gobe our favorites. Okay, so you know what, let's get started. So in a bowl I add my palm oil, then I add some onions, and then we are gonna fry this for just some few seconds. Then I added some blended garlic, onion, ginger. So we stir and we allow this to cook for just 1 minute. Then I'm gonna add some powdered pepper to it. Okay, yes, so like I said, this is a premium bean stew or beans stew pro max. So I added some blended tomatoes, and then I stir and also allow this to cook for just 2 minutes, and then you can add any seasoning of your choice. Okay, so we cover it up, and then at this point I add my seasoning, just a little, and then I already have my cooked beans, so I add it to my stew. And guys, just look at this. We stir gently for the beans and the stew to be well incorporated. Then I add my beautiful peas and carrots to make the difference. Then I added some sausages, which is optional. You can add tuna flakes, sardines, canned beef. It's also accepted. So we gently stir, and look at that. Wouldn't you love to try this, family? And why haven't you subscribed to Tasty and Fresh? Please do, so we grow together. Okay, if you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Okay, so I am pairing mine with some fried ripe plantain kokoni beans, dear. Ghana's favorite delicacy, and you know it is sold across the streets everywhere in Ghana. So please follow this step-by-step recipe and make your own bean stew with cocoa or gobe with cocoa. Okay. So our plantains are also ready. We take it out from the oil, and this is the moment of truth. We are serving ourselves. Just look at this, family. Yes, I know you enjoy beans stew, but make it this way and you'll be glad you did. Okay, thank you guys for the massive support. God bless you. If you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe so we go together. Okay, see ya. Bye bye.